Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Necee. And I'm back. I know, second video this month. Who am I? What is going on? I'm definitely getting back into the groove of things, and it's been a minute since I've actually just like sat down and like talked to you guys, but I loved filming this video, putting this look together for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I do. I also went to ULTA and we tried out a couple new goodies for the first time together in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, as you guys can see, there's this little orange bag here. I did stop by ULTA. I had to re-up on my favorite brow product, and I have been running out of mascara and lippies, which I'm going to be trying out in this video, so we'll get to that part next. But I do want to mention the brow products that I got. So one of them is new, and one of them is one that I might have talked about on this channel before, but I'm not too sure. And that one is Urban Decay's Inked Brow. This is one of, or I should say the favorite brow product for myself right now. It is a little bit pricier, so I have been on the hunt for a dupe because these are like $30 a pop, and I pretty much have to buy one every month. But these are amazing. They last through anything. If you want to go to the water park, you want to go to the gym, you have a full day, like your brows are not going anywhere. I actually just realized that on the box it says up to 60-hour wear, which I'm not too sure if that's true, but if you guys ever want me to test that out, let me know. I have been on the hunt for a dupe, and although I didn't find one today, or the other day when I went, I should say, I did find this Ulta Beauty eyebrow stamp and stencil kit. I figured I'd give this one a try. It's so cute. It's like a matte packaging. The stamper is here, and the product is in this end, and you just stick it in, and you can just stamp it on. And I will say, it took me like 10 minutes to do my brows, which is literally record time. If you guys want to see me do like a tutorial on how I do my brows, because I get asked a lot, let me know, because I think I have my routine pretty much down packed. Anyways, let's get into this look. We'll dive into the rest of the things in the bag. So for this look today, I'm kind of going for more of like a neutral, sultry, little pop of pink type of Valentine's Day look. In the past, I normally do like very, very, very pink, which I still love, but it's not necessarily me anymore. Of course, I have changed and evolved over the year. My taste has changed as well. So I hope you guys like this look. I am going to be using this palette here from Too Faced. I was gifted this not too long ago. It's a Christmas palette. It's just called Christmas in New York, and this is what the color story looks like. I think this is a perfect color story for Valentine's Day. I already primed my eyelids just with some light colored concealer, and I set it off with some translucent powder. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is gonna be Soho Ho right here. And let's just do this thing. I love this shade. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some translucent powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a little guide for myself. Alright, just to darken up that crease a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the Rocket and Roll. Yeah, so it's like this little taupey brown here, and I'm just gonna really focus this on the outer V portion. And this is gonna be such a simple look, guys. Like, we're literally almost done. It's like, I just feel like after becoming a mom, I need to do something simple but quick, still cute. So this is what we have so far. Let me see you guys in a little smoky moment. Then what I'm gonna do, because I do want to put like a little bit of like a nudie light pink, I'm thinking this Upper East Elf right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer and kind of do, oh, I forgot the word. What's that word? Oh, a cut crease. Jeez. Okay, I think I just didn't record the whole part of me doing my false lashes. I'm not even mad about it. It's fine. I don't even know if I recorded then the like bottom part of my eyeshadow. I don't know where it stopped. But okay, we have lashes on. If you're wondering, I did use the Ardell Demi Wispies. I love these. I've been using these for years. They're tried and true, super affordable, last forever, you know, all the good stuff. I did try out both of these mascaras. This is the Bare Minerals Maximist mascara. This is what the brush looks like. Super unique. Loved it so far. I'm definitely going to test it on my real lashes. And then I went on top of it with this Tarte Maneater mascara, which I love wands that are like this, like short and like rubbery. This is kind of like how the Buxom mascara is. It's one of my favorite mascaras, the Buxom one. I have used that one for years and years. I always go back to it, but I've just been on the hunt to see like something different and new. So excited to try these out on my like actual lashes as opposed to fake ones later on. Now let's get to lips. Also, I did mention that I do love this Duo dark adhesive because naturally after I put on lashes, I go over top of the band with a dark eyeliner, typically black, just to blend everything through and like line my eyes. And I get to skip that step because this basically does it for me, so I love that. I did add another pop of pink in my eyes. In the tear duct, and then just like brought it down like halfway, and I am obsessed. It's a nice neutral, kind of sultry, more like daytime vibes look, but you can definitely darken it up to make it more of like a nighttime vibe, depending on what kind of vibe you want to go for. But I would wear this like daytime or nighttime, honestly. So I am super happy how this turned out. Now let's figure out what lip we're gonna do because I got quite a few. These are all ones that I've never tried before, but I swatched them in the store and I was like, okay, let's see how these work out. I'm thinking we go with this one here because this is red. I don't want to do a red since I have pinks going on here. We'll save that for another time. But this one here is in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and I am like, I'm dying over this. Yes, I think a dark lip would be cute. I might stick this maybe in the middle. This is in the shade Undressed. So we have Undressed is the lighter one, and then Chocolate Mousse is the darker one. I could do both of those. I also got some lip liners. I swatched these in the store and they felt so soft and like blendable. A lot of lip pencils, they just became a dud because they end up drying out and just being like really hard to like line your lips with. They're not super buttery, and when I swatched these, they seemed like they were, so we'll see how they hold up. I also love how they were retractable because a lot of the ones that I've used are like sharpening ones. Like this is from the KKW, and I don't know what's up with it, but like, look, like, I don't know what is going on here, but yeah. I love the formulation, but it's just like the packaging isn't really ideal for me. So let me put this on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I am so obsessed with how this turned out. I loved how easy and simple it was too, because I feel like a lot of my past like makeup looks, at least for Valentine's Day, were pretty like complicated. Definitely ones that you would have to like spend a couple hours to do, because I know I did one with like mini hearts and that takes some time, especially if you want it to look nice. One with like a super cut crease with glitter, and this is just super neutral, a little pop of color, a nice dark cute lip, and I am just obsessed. I'm ready to get glam and like go out to dinner right now, but it is only mid-January, so we're not doing any Valentine's festivities yet, but I am so excited to rock this look more closer till then. Let me just give you guys a little zoom in. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, enjoyed spending some time with me. I definitely enjoyed filming this look for you guys and just getting back on the camera and talking with you guys one-on-one. If you guys also enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, as always, any videos you guys want to see me do next. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!